Yeah, hello there, welcome back. Next day, new day, still poor, but still learning and very much closer to our goal. Thing is, yeah, I will just come a little bit more so that the light will come. So look at this. Look, today I woke up very late, and yes, I am very late for the job. I'm in 5 minutes late, and even if I go like a full speed, I will still be late. So why not to go full late? Let's be relaxed and let's go relax. Okay. So now I wanted to like I figured out the two. I woke up at 6 o'clock, and I literally walked towards my phone, which was on the table, which was like 1 feet far from the bed. I literally woke up. I walked to the table. I picked the phone. I closed the alarm, and again come back, sleep on the bed. And I really don't know. I really don't remember when this literally happened. And I'm fucking like crazy. Like how in the world this is? And I just can't remember this. Which means my subconscious mind is taking cover of my sleep. Which means I need caffeine. Yesterday I do you remember when I started caffeine like it was 2-3 sachets a day, very did, and pretty much we were so productive at the end of the day. I would wake up like exactly on time and I was fresh. So I got it. Caffeine without like if I wanted to get productive, which is the next level productivity, I just can't take it by being normal average guy. Without caffeine, nothing, just feeling no. It just not going to work. I figured this out. Yesterday I just took the one caffeine which is like at 5:30 or 6:30 somewhat or 5:30, and after that I haven't took any caffeine. And that is the reason I got so tired I slept at 12:30 or 1 o'clock, and sleep was not completed. There was no caffeine. I was so tired. Woke up tired, and that's why my brain pulls me to sleep again. Look at the reading, brother. So now I understand like I have to take at least 3 caffeines at 5:30 p.m., at 9:30 p.m., and pretty much at the evening before sleep. Not like not like this that 1 hour before sleep. No. That will be issue because I won't be able to before sleep like right before I'm going. The caffeine will hit me, wake me up 6 p.m. Sorry, 6 a.m. So this is what my thing is. I've learned about this and probably learned from me. And brother, I was not feeling to go to this job, man. Like fucking not. I'm so wanted. Still I have to go to this. Man, I'm stuck in jail, if we can say like this. I'm stuck in the jail of rat race. Go to job and come back home and do the trading study. This is not going to work. I understand like yesterday the Alex Armos and Alex Gonzalez he's flipping the account by using this strategy but not swing. He's using the strategy which is date, okay? And he's teaching swing trading, which from 3 months I haven't got any fucker. Crazy. I'm like learn day trading and go and start implementing that so that we result now, not 3-4 months later. Signing off. That is what I'm saying. I know we are so close to the successful. We just need to connect the piece of puzzle. Now I'm learning one piece of puzzle right now, which is going to take averagely 15 to 20 days. Once that piece of puzzle is coming into my pieces of puzzles, once this piece of puzzle is going to get joined with my piece of puzzle, brilliant. That is going to be skyrocket. Mark my words, brother. Mark my words. Yeah, it's 100% guarantee from this is going to happen. Let's go. Now, yes, we are extremely late right now. The time for a lateness is 8:10. If we get late after 8:10, it will be late mark or something like that. I just bullshit. But yeah, so now I have to like, if I just go from here, it will take near about 10 minutes. So late mark is going to get happen. So why not to get sufficiently late? Right? Still, I hate the fucking job. I hate the job thing. I just like trading and business, and I'm working on my anyway. What the fuck is this? What? That was a kida. Oh, insect. Right now we are heading towards job is done. My God, I'm so angry on myself that why in the world I'm at this position that doing a fucking job, man. I should have in the New York or Dubai or somewhere down there. Should be a good trader, good on the fuck, man. Somewhere. Now let's go home and. After that, we are go to trading practice. That's all we can do. So. So I'm actually doing this trading study. I have kept the phone out because I just can't. I mean there is no storage remaining into the phone, so I'm pretty much like I need to upload the videos first and then we can go for. So technically, I have what I have done. Look at this. This is the steps I have come up with. These are the exact steps which I am going to use to match, to learn his day trading style. Exact steps. So yeah, signing off. Let us just focus on it. And probably mom dad came home. You wanna see? Look at these bags. This is arrived home after so like 7 8 days of trip. So now I probably will be able to shoot because first the parents are home. Second my storage is full. So yeah, maybe this is the end. Maybe signing off.